Dropshipping, or otherwise known as marketing arbitrage, is a business model where you find a product at cheap prices on sites like AliExpress, then you advertise the product on your own website with Facebook ads at a higher price. When someone orders from your website, you then go on to the original listing and ship that to the customer. That way you get to keep the difference. Now, the question arises, how do I make it a six-figure business? You have to find the best product to sell by researching Facebook ads and AliExpress. Then you set up your store with good branding and create a good product video with a call to action at the end. Then you run Facebook ads with that video. To start off the testing stage of the product, start with $5 to maximum $10. When you start seeing good results and conversion, duplicate the ad and start scaling with higher ad budgets. That's the basic of how you get to six figures in a dropshipping business. Subscribe to my channel for detailed videos on each topic.